Welcome back to Top Science News This Week, your essential briefing on the breakthroughs shaping our future. I'm your host, and we've got a packed show for you today, spanning from the cosmic to the microscopic. So let's get right into the biggest stories from the world of science. First up, let's look to the stars. The cosmos has been buzzing with activity. NASA and NOAA have released stunning new data from their joint solar missions, giving us an unprecedented look at our sun's dynamic behavior. These findings are not just beautiful, they are crucial for understanding space weather and protecting our satellite infrastructure. Speaking of space, excitement is building for the next chapter in Martian exploration. We'll be bringing you special coverage of the upcoming mission, which promises to search for signs of ancient life and pave the way for future human visitors. Is there life on Mars? We might be closer than ever to finding out. From the vastness of space, we now zoom into the world within. The fields of health and biology have seen some incredible progress this week. Researchers in virology have published a groundbreaking study identifying a new mechanism some viruses use to evade our immune systems. This could revolutionize how we develop antiviral treatments. In genetics, a team has successfully used a novel gene editing technique to correct a hereditary disorder in a lab setting, a milestone that brings us one step closer to curing genetic diseases. On the clinical front, a long-term trial for a new Alzheimer's treatment has reported promising results, offering a ray of hope for millions of patients and their families. It's a powerful reminder of how science tirelessly works to improve and extend our lives. Back here on Earth, the conversation around our planet's health continues to be a top priority. A new international climate assessment report was released, and the findings are sobering. It highlights accelerated changes in our polar regions and underscores the urgency for global action. But it's not all doom and gloom. The report also showcases innovative technologies that are making a real difference. We're seeing new satellite systems providing more accurate climate forecasting than ever before, helping communities prepare for extreme weather events. And on the ground, advancements in carbon capture technology are showing real potential, with a new pilot plant exceeding all efficiency expectations. It's a race against time, but innovation is our strongest ally. And finally, no science update would be complete without talking about the explosion in technology and AI. This week was no exception. A leading AI research lab has open-sourced a powerful new language model, making advanced artificial intelligence accessible to developers and creators worldwide. We're already seeing fascinating applications, from generating creative code to assisting scientists in analyzing massive datasets. Elsewhere, engineers have unveiled a bio-inspired robot that mimics the movement of a cheetah, achieving record-breaking speed and agility. This isn't just a cool gadget. This technology could be used in search and rescue missions navigating terrain that's too dangerous for humans. The pace of AI development is truly staggering, and it's reshaping every industry it touches. Now, out of all these incredible stories, one stands out for its immediate and profound implications for our daily lives. That's the breakthrough in virology I mentioned earlier. Let's take a deeper dive. For decades, we've understood that viruses are masters of disguise, constantly evolving to trick our immune cells. But this new research, published in the journal Nature, reveals a previously unknown strategy. Imagine our cells have a security system, a series of locks on their doors. Our immune system has the keys to recognize and destroy infected cells. What these scientists discovered is a particular family of viruses that doesn't just pick the lock. It creates a decoy door. Using advanced cryogenic electron microscopy, the research team was able to visualize this process in action. The virus, once inside a host cell, forces the cell to produce a specific protein. This protein acts as a molecular cloak, effectively hiding the viral particles from patrolling T cells, our immune system's elite soldiers. The T cells patrol, see what they think is a healthy, normal cell, and simply move on, while the virus replicates unchecked inside. This discovery is a game changer. It explains why some viral infections are so persistent and difficult for our bodies to clear. It's like finding a secret blueprint used by the enemy. And with this blueprint, we can now design a counter-strategy. The researchers are already working on developing a new class of drugs that specifically target this cloaking protein. The idea is to block the virus from creating its disguise, essentially unmasking it for the immune system to see and destroy. If successful, this approach could lead to more effective treatments for a whole range of viral illnesses, from the common cold to more serious pathogens. It's a perfect example of how fundamental, curiosity-driven research can lead to tangible, life-saving applications. Understanding the how and why at a molecular level is the first step toward developing the next generation of medicines. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about a virus-host interaction, opening up a whole new battlefield in our constant war against infectious diseases. The implications are vast, and we will be following the development of these potential new therapies very closely. So, to recap this packed week in science, we've journeyed to the Sun and Mars, delved into our own genetic code, faced the realities of our changing climate, and marveled at the rapid evolution of artificial intelligence. And we took a close look at a viral discovery that could change medicine forever. The world of science never sleeps, and every discovery, big or small, moves us all forward. That's all the time we have for this week's edition of Top Science News. I hope you found it as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us continue to bring you this content. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next episode. Next week, we'll be looking at a new fossil discovery that might just rewrite a chapter of human history. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay curious.